Hello everyone, my name is Robert Wood with Lightning AI, and today I'm here to talk to you about our model APIs. Within our model APIs menu, you have access to use, on a per token basis, all of the latest models in the industry. Some open, some closed, but really you have the opportunity to, with one line of code, switch and experiment with which model may be best for your use case. So here I have a list of all of the APIs that you have access to. You can see various providers, whether from Google, OpenAI, some hosted by us, and also by Anthropic. So an example usage of one of these may be within an application that you build. So I have a studio here, which actually builds on, in this case, Claude Opus 4.1. I'm able to choose the model that I'm using right here. And I just have a simple Streamlit app that is using this application for a chat. The way that I can actually go about just quickly using this is one, I can put this into my application. I'm able to spin up the application with our Streamlit plugin. And then in this window, I actually have the app going. So I'm able to say, hey, tell me about the company that made you. And so it's going through our model API right now, and I'm able to chat with it just like I would chat with any chat application, and I'm getting a good response. So it's talking to me about Anthropic. In order to change the back end of this application and what model it's running on, I can simply go back into the code here, and actually I'm going to go back into the hub. And now let's say that I want to use GPT-OSS 120B that Lightning is hosting. I can easily come in here. I've already gotten my API key settled, so I can just take this blurb here, go and replace it. And then when I go and use the app and hop back into, I'll just say, tell me about the company that made you. And now we get a response from OpenAI. So very simply, what we showed in here was the ability to go easily get access to all of these models, integrate them within an application that you can build and expose via Studios, and then of course, easily switch out the models to make sure that that model is the right model for your use case.